And just like that, we're off to a rough start. Mr. Gross walks in late. His excuse? He needed a bike ride. Not exactly the kind of reason that wins favor with the judge, especially when you're already standing on thin ice with the court.
So, you were late this morning, Mr. Gross?
Yes, I might have arrived by here. My bad.
Okay. So, probation sent me over an administrative hearing showing that
This reads like a catalog of failures. Missed probation check-ins, no proof of employment, skipped community service, and not a single psychological evaluation. Probation isn't optional. It's a court-ordered deal. Break it, and you don't get a slap on the wrist. You face real legal consequences.
I failed to report twice in August and then again in December that you weren't working and giving proof of that you're behind in your community service, that you didn't take the defensive driving course yet, that you did not complete the psychological evaluation so that we could figure out what, if any, tools, so we could figure out what, if anything, you need to be successful on probation. So let's start there, because I think that's probably one of the most important parts of it, is why haven't you done that evaluation yet? You're not going to be able to help her if you're in prison, are you? Okay, so you have to do your probation.
The judge isn't bluffing this time. She's drawing a hard line. 2 weeks. That's all Mr. Gross gets. Either he completes the psych evaluation or probation gets revoked. And that means jail. Period.
No matter what. That's not an excuse, and I won't take that as an excuse. You can make an appointment. You're going to get that evaluation done within the next 2 weeks, or I'm asking them to file a motion to revoke your probation. It's that simple. 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get the evaluation done. If you're not working, you should be doing community service every single week.
How many months or days have you been in the county for this charge?
It's not a county case, it's a felony. So here's what you're charged with.
Time to face reality. Dodging arrest when you already have prior convictions isn't just a little mistake, it's a full-blown felony. If probation falls through this time, the next stop isn't freedom, it's state jail. The chances are gone, and the system's patience has run out.
Jail felony offense of evading arrest or detention with previous convictions. And so if you don't want to be on probation, then they can file a motion to revoke. They have enough here to revoke your probation. But why wouldn't you want to just, you don't want to go to state jail prison, do you?
It's too much.
But you're going to be away from your family for some amount of time if you get revoked. I don't know. We're not here I don't do the negotiations. So if you want to have your probation revoked, what would happen is a motion would be filed. There would be a warrant for your arrest. You would get in custody. We would appoint you a lawyer. That lawyer would talk to Ms. Malfino. They would discuss what your violations are, what they think might be a fair punishment. We would come to court. If I think it's a fair punishment and agree with him, I would give it to you, and you would go do whatever time that is. It's not going to, I would assume it wouldn't be the whole 2 years, but I don't know right now. I don't remember what your criminal history was, other than I know that. Hold on a second. Yeah, so, you know what a 1244 is? Okay, well, what a 1244 is, a lot of people think if they get a state jail prison time, there is a way that you can do county jail time in some cases on that, and what she's saying is it's not going to be county jail time. It will be some amount of state jail time.
This is the moment everything breaks. Mr. Gross is overcome with emotion, but the judge remains firm and unshaken. Her message cuts deep. Life is tough, but no excuse can shield you from the law.
You don't want to get the help with probation. You want to... All right, well, I don't know that. That I'd let you go today then. Have there been any issues with drug use? Any type? No positives. How quickly can y'all get that done? What's your position with regard to where we stand right now? I mean, we've got violations, obviously. If he doesn't want to go do those things, I know.
It seems a shame.
I don't disagree.
It's not for me to decide. I know with him, we're be willing to work with him. I know what he says is important. I know there's specialized cases.
You don't want to think about it for...
How many months or days?
I don't know. That's the thing. I just told you. We just went through that. All right, then at this time, what I'm going to do...
Boom, there it is. The judge has just handed down 20 days in jail. This isn't a warning anymore. It's the real consequence of failing to take probation seriously.
Mr. Gross, is because of those violations of your probation that you already have, at this point I'm going to order as a condition of probation, because you're still on probation, that you serve 20 days up front time. You'll go into custody today. That'll give the state time to get that motion to revoke filed. You'll get credit for the time that you're sitting, but I'm not going to let you go today and possibly do something else that you're not supposed to do while you're on probation. So you can go back with the bailiff.